To clear the terminal, we will use clear command. Now, our next command is rm command, that is remove. So if I use rm space, okay, first let's create a blank file. So touch abc, okay, the file is here. Now rm space abc, and you can see the file is deleted. So let's do ls, and there is no file with the name abc, right? Now our next command is mkdir. Mk stands for make and dir is your directory. Directory means your folder. So to create a folder in Linux, we will use mkdir command followed by the name of the folder. Let's say folder 123. Hit enter and let's do ls. There it is, right? So folder is in blue color and file is in simple white text. Okay. Now if I do rm space 123, you can see it says cannot remove 123 because it is a directory, right? So if you want to remove a directory, we will use rmdir, that is remove directory command. Hit enter, let's do ls, and it worked, right? Okay, but what if the folder is not empty? Okay, let's do that. Mkdir 123, and let's move into 123, and now let's just create a file. Let's say xyz. Okay, again desktop, let's do ls, done. Now if I try to remove directory 123 using rmdir command, it says directory not empty, which means rmdir command will only work if the folder is empty. Okay, so suppose rm command is not working and rmdir command is also not working. Okay, you have tried to delete files and folders but you are failed. So in that case you can use an all-rounder command, which is rm space -rf. Okay, so remove recursive forcefully, which means just forcefully remove any file or folder. It doesn't matter, okay, if that is a blank folder or maybe there's some data in that folder, that doesn't matter here. Okay, so we will use rm space -rf followed by the name of the folder, and you can see the folder is deleted, right? Okay, so these are just the basic commands which are important also from the point of view of an beginner.